District Attorney Fani Willis getting a partial win. She will remain on the election subversion case against former President Trump and more than a dozen co-defendants because her lead prosecutor, and as we now know, former boyfriend Nathan Wade, is stepping down.
It's a surprising decision. I think it may be a wise decision. Probably each side will be a little frustrated. The judge did split the baby.
Trump and his fellow defendants argued Willis and Wade have a conflict of interest due to their romantic relationship Wade and Willis said ended last year and would benefit financially from their work on the case, a claim Willis adamantly denied in court.
I think you lied right here. No. This is the truth, Judge. And it is a lie.
Judge McAfee says the defense did not provide sufficient evidence that Willis acquired a personal stake in the prosecution or that her financial arrangements had any impact on the case, but says the appearance of impropriety requires either Willis or Wade to step down. The choice is obvious. If it were Willis, the case would essentially come to a halt. Judge McAfee says Willis had a tremendous lapse in judgment and during the evidentiary hearings displayed an unprofessional manner.
It certainly doesn't look good for her and for her office the way this whole thing has been handled.
Expected to file an appeal, Trump's attorney Steve Sato says, "We will use all legal options available as we continue to fight to end this case, which should never have been brought in the first place."
Now that Wade will be removed from the case, do Trump and his fellow defendants have any argument that that conflict still exists?
I think this decision will just stand. I think the judge, kind of within his discretion, made a wise decision. Fani Willis had earlier talked about an August 2024 trial date. I think that's highly unlikely. I think the appeal of this decision could potentially slow it down.
It's a case that now has 35 charges instead of 41. Judge McAfee dismissing 6 of them earlier this week, 3 of which were against Trump, who still faces 10 charges in Georgia. In Washington, I'm Atra El-Nashar reporting.